and the next part of this demonstration will be rendering the toy jacks. Use the magnifying tool to zoom in close on the toy jacks. Use the magic wand tool to select inside the jacks. Go to the Select pull-down menu to save selection. Give the selection a logical name. I will name mine Toy Jacks. Pick OK. Check your settings with My Gradient Settings on the Options panel. Watch me make very short gradient line strokes. This will help to make the object appear to have a reflected surface. In this part, you do not want to hold down the Shift key as you are creating diagonal lines. It is the multiply setting at a lower opacity that allows you to add on to the effect. The reason why you might want to save a selected area when you first begin working is so that you can reload the area if you've deselected it and you want to go back and continue adding to the pattern. To recap this video, I demonstrated how to use the classic gradient settings to create a cool metallic finish using short gradient pattern strokes within a selected area. The settings for the classic gradient were the reflected gradient pattern, set to multiply mode, at 45% opacity, and using the black to white basics coloration scheme. You were also shown how to save a selected area and reload the selection under the Select pull-down menu.